Hello everyone. Today I was looking into hum noise coming from this beautiful Nakamichi DR-10, and I can report that I successfully remediated that. It was not sustainable. It was like playing louder when we click record, and it was going lower when we do full level and louder when we reduce the input level. And it was pretty hard to understand where it's coming from. I checked it up, all wires, all ground wires to the tape transport, to the headphones board. It looks like everything was fine. I was playing around. Finally decided to check all ground points in this deck, and there are three. Right, one ground point is here. All right, one is right there underneath this plastic piece, so I had to remove it. Just slide it into this direction. You see there is a cut, so you slide it here and you can pull it aside a little bit. And the third point is right here. So I had to remove all three screws, scratch a little bit and use deoxit to clean up it. And then I screw everything back and hum is gone 100%. So now when I click record and when I go to the maximum, it's dead quiet, right? So I hope this will help you if you will meet the similar issue with your DR series deck in the future. All right, it was annoying. It developed suddenly, nothing, it was just sitting, then I get it back to play around it, and I hear there is a hum noise, and it's persistent recording, and it was pretty weird. So what is happening, as I understood, one of the screws developed bad connection, and there was no ground properly coming through, and as a result ground start to circulate between boards, and when there is any how do I say, current which goes through the boards on the ground, it's pick up all the noise, and that's how it's happening. Okay, so it's a glue. I will continue looking into my Revox. That's the only thing which is left to fix there. And if I would be able to find this point where it's I'm already was using very high grit sandpaper to put and grit all the surfaces which should conduct the ground, but looks like somewhere it else has a problem. All right, finally it was pretty tough. Now it's placed nice. All right, there is a tape. That's empty tape. Yeah, it's placed, you see. And it's dead quiet. When I click record, and if I go to maximum or minimum, I use it headphones, no more any hum noise. All right. See you on my next adventures, and bye-bye.